What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol AMC for AMC Entertainment, of course. On the left-hand side, we have the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. First things first, this will, of course, be an update. We talk about this one extensively here on the channel, and I've got to give credit where credit is due, right? I'm always a fan of doing such. To me, there's potential here. It's not a guarantee that we have broken this double bottom, and we're just seeing a pullback. So a break and retest now of roughly that 18 area. We did close relatively weak kind of at the lows there on today's session, right at that pivot point. But the saving grace, in my estimation, is the fact that this was a relatively low volume candle. It doesn't look, to me at least, like everyone was panicking, running for the doors saying, get me out of the position. Now, granted, let's not forget, right? We want to keep things in perspective here. We are in a fairly aggressive daily downtrend. But for those of you who are looking to stab long in a stock like this, which wouldn't be my personal preference, I could totally see the reasoning behind the double bottom. This is nothing more than a break and retest of the neckline of the pattern. If this 18 holds and we get consolidation in here, I've just drawn in essentially a bull flag. The next breakout point comes from up and over those highs, roughly 2075 or 21 even, to take us into the next structural resistance around 24, we'll call it for round number 6. So as always, like I said earlier, I want to give credit where credit is due. This move is holding so far. We'll see if it continues to hold 18. If 18 breaks down, then I would look at this as nothing more than a look above and fail. The target should be the bottom end of the range here, roughly 1470, which is a flush point. Notice how we have all of these equal lows at that area. I would first expect the dead cat bounce, any lower high, and then reattempt. So any H patterns that develop, looking for shorts of this flush point at 1470 to take us into that hammer candle low from in here, 1340. All right. So that's AMC on the daily time frame chart. Let's quickly take a look at the 30-minute. And again, this is going to paint a slightly different picture, right? Different time frames paint different pictures. To me, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, flat and equal lows. If this 18 starts to be, lost, that's concerning, right? This is nothing more than a descending triangle. And again, that puts into play the look above and fail scenario from the daily time frame. If it's going to be a bull flag breakout and you're a really aggressive trader, you might watch for something that breaks that resistance trend line right there. Is that the trade that I would personally look for? Probably not. I would be the more conservative trader, especially in such an aggressive daily downtrend, but those are the levels to pay attention to inside of AMC. If you enjoyed the video today or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.